I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your head.
Hello and Happy New Year, everyone. This year, I hope we all find joy, health, and blessings. Well, speaking of joy, I had an unexpectedly long break from YouTube. Well, my phone broke and then I visited my family. Honestly, if I am being very truthful to myself, it felt good to unplug, spend time with loved ones, and explore places that felt so nostalgic and yet transformed. In today's video, I'm sharing some of those delightful moments from my trip. Also, a delicious, no fail Lauki Kofta recipe with a healthier version as well. Stick around till the end because I'll share all the things that I bought from the trip and glimpse from some of the very old historic places. One of the comfort food I love making is a Lauki Kofta. It's light, flavorful and pairs beautifully with a simple roti or rice. But here is the thing, kofta can sometimes turn out to be chewy, dry, or sometimes even falls apart if not done right. Over the time, I have learned few tricks to make them soft, tender, delicious every single time. Whether you fry them and like today, make it a healthier version using an appe pan. So let's get started. The first step is to grate the lauki from a thicker or the chunkier grater and squeeze all the water out of it. Keep the water aside because it's very nutritious and we'll use it for gravy. My next tip is to use besan 2 tablespoons at a time and do not dunk all the besan that you need at once. We need enough besan, just enough so that it binds into small little balls. Add your favorite spices like ginger garlic paste, cumin, ajwain, kalonji, and I'm also adding a Bengali spice, radhuni. It's not mandatory, but it adds a very beautiful earthy flavor to it. For the first batch, heat the oil in a pan and deep fry the kofta until golden brown. Frying ensures a crispy outer layer while keeping the inside soft and moist. The gravy will begin with a classic onion tomato base, but with a twist to make it richer without adding any heavy ingredients like cream or cashew or corn flour for that matter. Saute the onions until golden and then add tomatoes, ginger garlic and stir it. Add all the spices that you would usually add in your tomato gravy. Add a splash of water just to make sure that the spices don't burn and the tomato becomes absolutely mushy and the oil starts separating. At this stage, we will add 1 teaspoon of besan and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or tomato paste. Besan thickens the gravy naturally while ketchup enhances that tangy and slightly sweet flavor.
Do you ever wonder Days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass. Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble?
Now once the gravy is ready, add the reserved Lauki water and adjust the consistency and bring it to a boil. The second batch I used an appe pan, greasing the cavity lightly with a drop of small portion of mixture and cook on low heat. Now you have to turn occasionally until it's golden brown. This method uses minimal oil but delivers the same softness and the texture.
Love is nothing but an echo, a memory you can't deny. Life is nothing but a vision, a play without a stage, an ocean without waves. The summer came for us. I remember what I lost. I'm writing to myself about the thing you said, about the thing you said.
I'm serving this Loi Kofta along with a mixed vegetable oats garlic roti. It's a simple recipe. Just bring water to a boil, add salt, add oats flour, add all the grated vegetables that you want to add. The only catch here is to mix the flour in the water and take it to a halwa like consistency. I don't know what consistency, how to describe it, but if you take it till that point, your oats roti will come really perfect. These baskets that I got from my trip were from the local artisan and they are a pure joy. Look at the intricate detailing. It's like carrying a piece of home with me. I can't wait to style these beauties around different corners of my home. Now finally let me show you some snippets of our trip to Nalanda and Rajgir. The beauty of these places is absolutely unmatched, and walking amidst of the ruins of Nalanda, actually it felt like walking back in time. The Rajgir serene landscapes were an absolutely balm to the soul. It reminded me how important it is to pause and soak in the moment. Thank you for spending your time with me today, and if you've enjoyed this mix of homemaking, cooking and some travel snippet, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated. Also let me know which part did you love the most. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Free flowing, sailing with क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप दिन भर में औसतन करीब 22,000 बार सांस लेते हैं? कभी गिना नहीं ना? और क्या ये भी कि आपकी अगली सांस के लिए जरूरी ऑक्सीजन का मिलना इस बात पर निर्भर है कि आपसे मीलों दूर किसी मछली को खा पाएगी या नहीं? क्यों यकीन नहीं होता ना?